Hey guys, Vineet here. I'm a travel and portrait photographer, and I came up with this series. I was always thinking about this, so this is our first episode. Right now, I'm in Eidfjord, Norway, and I'm thinking about making a series with my photography skills and travel videos. So, guys, I travel around the world. I've been to 52 countries till now, and right now I'm in Norway. So, I want to go out and I want to click some pictures. So, we will go and we will start this journey that I will go with my camera. By the way, I'm using Sony Alpha A7R Mark IV, and my favorite lenses are normally like 24-70 2.8 and 7180 2.8 from Tamron. What I'm using nowadays, I'm a portrait and travel photographer, so 24-70 2.8 is one of the best lens I use all the time. But let's see, yeah, like I just want to enjoy and I want to click some pictures and edit, and we'll show you the final result. So I don't know, the weather is not that happy go lucky. It's a polar time here. I shot already a lot of polar lights in the past 3 weeks. I was chasing and clicking polar lights, and yeah, we are. So yes, I need my cold things from Norway protection, and then yeah, I will go outside and I will try my best to click some pictures. I hope you will like this series. Please let me know. You can comment or you can like this series, so it will give me motivation to do more videos. And since it's a first episode, I just wanted to explain you what I want to do and what is my choice. I will try to find out some nice locations in Eidfjord today. We will click some nice pictures and then I will edit, and you will see in the end the final results of the pictures, and you maybe I will also upload in the Instagram. Thank you so much for watching my video, and let's start. Okay, so the thing is, like, weather is okay. mm, could be a bit nicer. I would love to see in the blue sky, because last time I was here, I already had a vlog here. So last time when I was here, I had a nice weather, and there was a place here. I did the kayak tour next to the ship, but that time I was with Ida Perla. That time I was with Ida Prima. And I don't know if you can see. The mountain is with small like ices and all, and this was the place with the kayak I had like last time. And actually, I want to click one picture of the ship. So this is Ida Bella. I think it's time for me to take out my camera to click some pictures, but I was here already in the morning. I want to check on things, and the best thing is like here, I can click the ship with the mountains, and it will be crazy. So guys, I found my first place to click a picture, because this is a really nice tree with the ship. So maybe I can have this frame, and when I will edit, it will be great frame. So we will try it out now. I will try to look if I can click some pictures with my camera. Let's see. So guys, finally we found some nice pictures. Like, I have really nice with this tree, but I can also try without it with the reflection. So I think there is a red thing I should remove from the frame. So whenever I click pictures, the most important thing is the framing. That is always there. But like, Norway is very beautiful for the frames. So guys, I think we found our first picture with Idabella, but I want to click from the front. So let's see if I can manage to get that. We will go a bit front. There is a swing and there is a lot of people, but I will try my best to click some pictures. So guys, like, I wanted to click with Ida Bella, but like, my second frame will be this one. This looks very beautiful. Wow, this is amazing nature. And I'm not a landscape photographer, but let's try something out. Wow. Oh, this is the frame I want. So yes, this is the good part about having this 24-70. I can frame, and framing is most important. So I have some pictures. So I think I got my second picture. So we can move. I want to click one with Ida. Okay, so this place is really nice and really memorable. Look at this frame. Like I can make this frame directly. So I want to make this frame with the third picture. I really want to have this as my third picture of this place, and then we can edit also. So let's see. I would love to make this my third picture. So guys, let's start the picture. I think this frame is really nice, and we get and the whole ship is there, the water is there, and the best part is like water is very calm. I think we have to edit a lot. Maybe I will try with the sky also. We can see if the sky, if I change the sky, how it will work out, but it will be nice. This is different. This is with the I want to include more water, so I will go a bit back. So okay guys, we successfully clicked 3 pictures here. Like one I clicked with the front. I like this mountain area and everything. It's amazing here, just amazing for pictures. Especially if you are a landscape photographer, I think Eidfjord is one of the place you want to visit. These 3 pictures I really like. I want to explore more, so I will go to the city and I will try to make 1-2 more pictures. I hope it will be nice and I will get 1 more frame or 2 more frame for you. But look at the houses here, it's so dramatic. Maybe I will try to get a picture, but I don't know if it will be part of our series or not. But I like this table here. Think up, think about it, having a lunch here with someone you love, and this is the frame. I don't know if it will be a nice picture or not, but let's try. Let's find out with my camera. This sound is like I thought somebody's using a drone here, and so I was really looking forward for the drone, but it's not drone. It's somebody's cutting the grass. I came very up like in the mountain. It's really mountain area, I think, but I couldn't find a nice frame till now. The 4th frame is not that easy to get. Let's see. I hope we will get our 4th frame, because till now it's not that easy. I'm really going over the mountain. Somebody told me that it's really nice view from there for other side, but like look at the houses here. This is the beauty of Norway. Like I'm somewhere, but I'm alone completely. Like though there's not many people around me. Like here's completely empty. There's a road going more up, and there are houses I can see. And here are all the houses. So let's see if I manage to get 2 more frames. So guys, I think I found my 4th frame. I don't know if I can find, like our series will be always 5 pictures, the best one, but I found my 4th frame, I think, because this looks really nice with the cherry. I will try some pictures. So guys, I managed to get some pictures. I think it's okay, it's really nice, but we will see. So I think we already have 4 pictures, and it's a nice place. Look at this. Come on guys, the frame is very nice, so I have to click some pictures, but this is not our 5th picture, I hope. So I think we have our 5th picture. Not the 5th picture, I'm so sorry. We have 1 half in between picture. We will see. This is also This is also a really nice view. So guys, I have my fifth picture, the final picture, but I'm a portrait photographer, so Finn is here helping me out with this nice view. And there is, I saw this really nice sitting place and looking out like Norway picture. So can you help me?
Of course I can.
So Finn is also a photographer. Look at his camera, fancy Sony. So guys, Finn is sitting there already, and we will try to make some pictures. Finn, can you look this side? Left, right side? Just can we do something for this? Yeah. So I like this idea, but we can have one more picture with this chair or sitting in this chair. Finn, can we change the location? I will click two pictures, one with the chain, like he's sitting also other side and clicking with the chain and with the Bella in the back, or one with the chair with the background. Can we have this one, Finn? Because this one is more without tree. So let's try, guys. Other side, Finn, can you see? No, this side again because. Okay. Smile. And nowadays this is very popular that you click. Moment. So I have this picture here. Now the last picture is like Finn is sitting in the chair, and one of this picture will be our fifth picture and final for this episode. Ooh, thank you, Finn. Can you place your camera in the chair so I don't have Sony all the time? Because they are not sponsoring my video, so why would I have them? I'm just kidding. If they want, they can do that. Can you place your one hand in the and look other side? And one time, can you look at left? So we just break the pattern. Other more. Yeah. Smile. You know that I can make nice pictures for you. Not a smile, normal. Thank you, Phil. So this was our fifth picture. I found it. This was our day in Eidfjord. We clicked 5 pictures in 5 locations, and I hope you will like the pictures. And we will see us in the next video. Bye bye.